In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of the coolest paper airplanes ever. This model is called the Sky Concorde, and it combines speed, distance, and stability in one simple design. What makes it special is that it looks advanced, but is actually very easy to fold. Even beginners can make it successfully on their first try. By the end of this video, you'll have a paper airplane that can fly surprisingly far. So grab a sheet of paper and let's begin right now. You'll need just one sheet of A4 or letter size paper. Place the paper on a flat surface in portrait orientation. Start by folding it exactly in half lengthwise. Run your finger along the fold to create a sharp crease. Now open the paper back up and you'll see a center guideline. This line will help keep all of our folds straight and symmetrical. Take the top right corner and fold it toward the center. Don't let it touch the center crease completely. Leave a very small gap between the edge and the middle line. Now repeat the same fold with the top left corner. Try to make both sides as even as possible. A symmetrical airplane usually flies much better. Next, take the newly created angled edge and fold it inward again. Bring it toward the previous fold instead of the center line. Press the crease firmly so it stays in place. Now do the same thing on the opposite side. You'll notice the nose becoming longer and narrower. This shape helps the airplane cut through the air efficiently. Repeat the process one more time on both sides. Again, fold each edge inward carefully and evenly. At this point, the front of the airplane should look very slim. Take a moment to check that both sides match. Small adjustments now can improve flight performance later. Now it's time to create the wings. Fold one side downward from the top. Use the body of the airplane as a guide. The wings should be long and straight. Turn the airplane over and fold the second wing. Make sure both wings are the same size. Press along every fold to strengthen the structure. Sharp creases help the airplane stay rigid during flight. Next, fold the side layers neatly against the body. Keep everything aligned as accurately as possible. This step helps lock the design together. Now let's work on the tail section. Near the back of the airplane, make a small diagonal fold. Open that fold back up once you've created the crease. Use your fingers to reverse the fold inward. Push it inside carefully until it locks into place. This creates a stabilizing tail for smoother flights. Take a look at your airplane from the front. Both wings should appear level and balanced. If one side looks different, gently adjust it. Tiny corrections can make a big difference in the air. Finally, bend the rear edge of each wing upward slightly. These small flaps act like elevators on a real aircraft. They help the plane stay stable and glide farther. Don't bend them too much, just a small angle is enough. Your Sky Concorde is now complete and ready to fly. Hold it near the center and aim slightly upward. Give it a strong, smooth throw instead of a hard snap. Watch as it glides across the room or field. Experiment with small wing adjustments to improve performance. Thanks for watching and enjoy flying your new paper airplane.